Welcome to our guide on designing the perfect classic kitchen, where timeless elegance meets modern functionality. Start with a neutral color palette. Warm whites, creams, and soft grays create a bright, enduring foundation for your space. Focus on the cabinetry. Opt for raised panel or shaker-style doors with decorative molding for that authentic traditional look. Elevate your cabinets with classic hardware. Unlacquered brass or polished nickel pulls and knobs add immediate vintage charm. Countertops are crucial. Natural marble or quartz with subtle veining offers a luxurious, durable surface for meal prep. Choose a timeless backsplash. White ceramic subway tiles, especially in a herringbone pattern, provide an elegant backdrop. Lighting sets the mood. Hang oversized glass lanterns or elegant chandeliers above your island for a striking focal point. An apron-front farmhouse sink is a must-have. Its deep basin is highly practical and instantly screams classic design. Pair your sink with a traditional bridge faucet, cross handles, and a curved spout in polished brass add elegant detail. Warm up the room with hardwood flooring. A classic herringbone or chevron pattern in oak wood provides a timeless foundation. Showcase your fine china with glass front cabinets. They add depth and a touch of traditional elegance to your kitchen walls. Make a statement with a custom range hood. A beautifully crafted wooden or plaster canopy anchors the entire cooking space. Design your kitchen island to look like a piece of freestanding furniture. Add decorative turned legs for classic charm. Maintain a seamless, traditional look using panel-ready appliances. Hide your fridge and dishwasher behind matching cabinet doors. Incorporate decorative wooden corbels and brackets. These architectural details provide essential support and classic beauty. A well-organized walk-in pantry is a classic staple. It keeps your main kitchen clutter-free and beautifully functional. Soften the space with classic window treatments. Elegant Roman shades and a subtle linen fabric add warmth and texture. Create a cozy breakfast nook. A built-in wooden banquette paired with a classic pedestal table invites family gatherings. Display your beautiful copper cookware. Hanging copper pots from a classic ceiling rack adds authentic rustic elegance. Use layered lighting for depth. Combine overhead pendants, under-cabinet lights, and wall sconces for a warm glow. Introduce natural textures. Woven rattan counter stools or baskets bring warmth and a relaxed, classic feel to the room. Install a built-in plate rack. It's a beautifully traditional way to display your favorite porcelain and keep dishes handy. Add a butler's pantry for ultimate luxury. It provides extra prep space and classic storage for your fine glassware and china. Pay attention to the ceiling. Heavy, multi-layered crown molding adds instant architectural grandeur and a finished classic look. Soften your floors with a vintage-style runner rug. Rich reds and blues add a beautiful layer of classic color and comfort. Don't be afraid to mix metals. Combining polished nickel plumbing with brass hardware and iron lighting creates a curated look. Incorporate open shelving with decorative iron or wood brackets. It's a classic way to display your everyday kitchen essentials. Add texture with vertical beadboard paneling. Applying it to your island base or backsplash instantly provides a vintage charm. Embrace symmetry in your layout. Centering your range hood and balancing the cabinetry creates a pleasing, traditional harmony. Bring the room to life with fresh florals and greenery. A large vase of hydrangeas on the island is the ultimate classic touch. Frame your space with arched doorways. Soft curves in the architecture add a profound sense of timeless, traditional elegance. Integrate your ovens into a wall of custom cabinetry. It keeps the design clean and ensures your kitchen remains highly functional. Create a stunning focal point with a tiled cooking alcove. An arched niche lined with subway tile feels classic and grand. Choose classic seating. Timeless Windsor or ladder-back chairs painted in a contrasting color ground your dining area beautifully. Dedicate a zone for baking. A pristine marble counter section with deep storage drawers is incredibly practical and deeply classic. Accentuate your range hood with warm wooden trim. It visually connects the cooking zone to your island and adds rich detail. Hang vintage-inspired pendant lights. Ribbed milk glass and antique brass fixtures provide beautiful, nostalgic illumination. Build a comfortable window seat. It offers a charming spot to relax and maximizes the welcoming feeling of a traditional home. Consider a fabric sink skirt. It adds a layer of soft texture and undeniable cottage-inspired classic charm to your cabinetry. Classic kitchens never go out of style. By combining timeless materials and details, you create a space you will love forever.